Hello and welcome back to this video, guys, and today I'm doing a review on the Leatherman Squirt PS4. And today we're not focusing on the pliers or anything, we're just focusing on this blade. Because if you read the description of my channel, it's survival knives. Even though this isn't a survival knife, or neither is my one I'm seeing right now, it's just basically about knives. So right now we're going to do the paper test. So wow. So I'm like cutting the paper, but here's a glide. So that was a glide, I mean it cut it, but there's no way like I'm gonna get like feathers or anything with this. Yeah, it's like tearing. I mean, it's sharp, but like if like someone diced you with this, you'll get diced. If someone stabs you, you'll get stabbed. And now I have a piece of cardboard. It's cut in the cardboard. Yeah, cut the cardboard. So here. Now I'll do my blade. Now let's see how it does on the cardboard, because we already did it on paper. You check out that review on this. Alright, sorry, that spot doesn't have enough. See? Straight line. See, this one's much sharper. Yeah, so this was the review on the Leatherman Squirt PS4. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.